Introducing the new SMH 630 Horizontal Machining Center from Sigma. The machine focuses on stability and cutting rigidity for precise machining. T-shaped base frame with 3-layer construction and rib reinforcement, with high-low linear guides to improve machine rigidity and stability. 10,000 RPM direct drive spindle ensures full power transmission for optimal precision and efficiency. Automatic pallet changer with stable construction, high positioning accuracy, and fast changeover, supports a maximum table load of 1,200 kilograms. The enclosed ATC cam box prevents oil and water splashing during tool changes, directs backflow, keeps the environment clean, and increases operational safety. The SMH 630 is equipped with a tool check system and has a touch-sensitive virtual control panel that enables efficient tool management and increases safety during tool changes. Versatile horizontal milling machine for efficient metalworking, including milling, boring, drilling, and tapping. Ideal for various manufacturing needs. Machining area with large inclined plate for fast chip removal, increases production efficiency and machining precision. Designed for high efficiency and heavy cutting, the machine processes large and complex workpieces, ideal for precision workpieces and mold machining. The machine features an optional automated rotary pallet system for flexible machining, mixed line production, and fast mold changeover, ensuring a speedy production flow. The SMH 630 is designed for precise industries such as automotive, aerospace, and molds, suitable for large parts and mass production. Thank you for watching. If you need more information, please feel free to contact us.